Hey guys, what's happened? How to add promotion on your LinkedIn phone. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your profile icon at the top left right here. You're gonna see it, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see your profile right here. Scroll a little bit down, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add on top of my original position the new promotion. So I'm gonna hit right here, add experience, and of course enter the company name. Right? Maybe same company you used to work for, right? And enter the title for your new position or the new promotion, and enter the year, right? And the location, right? And description, of course, if you want to elaborate on what this new position might be. So afterwards, after you finish doing all that, hit save at the top right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.